Hi there. This is Sunny with Veteran Tinting and Blinds, your friendly AI assistant who never needs coffee breaks but still loves a good chat. Who am I speaking with today?
David Johnson.
Thanks, David. And just to make sure we've got everything squared away, can I grab your email address and the best phone number to reach you?
Yes, email is djohnson14@gmail.com.
Got it. djump14@gmail.com, right? And what's the best phone number to reach you at?
djohnson14@gmail.com.
Thanks for clarifying. So it's the johnson14@gmail.com, correct?
Yes, and phone number is 612-990-5345.
Thanks, David. I've got your email and phone number noted. Perfect, David. Now, are you primarily interested in window tinting to reduce heat and glare, or are you looking for UV blocking films to protect your interiors?
Both.
Got it. You're aiming for the best of both worlds. Is this project for your home or a commercial space?
It's for my home.
Thanks for sharing. Can you tell me the zip code where the installation will take place?
85326.
Thanks, David. That's 85326. Now, roughly how many windows are you looking to have treated or covered?
21 windows.
Got it, 21 windows. That's a solid project. What's the main problem you're hoping to solve? Is it heat reduction, energy savings, daytime privacy, or maybe protecting furniture from fading?
A little bit of all of them.
Makes sense, covering all the bases. What's your timeline for this project? Are you looking to get it done in the next few weeks, or just gathering info for now?
I'd love to get it done within the next month.
Perfect. Within the next month sounds doable. Are you the homeowner or the decision maker for this project?
I am the homeowner and the decision maker. Obviously, I have to talk to my wife, but yeah.
Ha ha, understood. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, we'd love to set up an appointment for an on site estimate. What's your availability like?
I'm pretty open, so what days work?
Let me check our availability real quick. One moment. All right, David. We have openings as soon as tomorrow, Friday, November 7th, with slots starting at 9 a.m. and running throughout the day. Does a morning or afternoon time work better for you?
Can I do 10:30 tomorrow?
Absolutely. Let me lock in 10:30 a.m. tomorrow for you. One moment. All right, David, you're all set for tomorrow, Friday, November 7th at 10:30 a.m. If anything comes up or you need to reschedule, just let us know. Looking forward to helping you out with those windows. Have a great evening.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome, David. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Take care.